I don't believe in happy endings, but I do believe in happy travels, because ultimately, you die at a very young age, or you live long enough to watch your friends die. It's a mean thing, life. Just like the woodpecker, who spends its entire life spiraling up tree trunks in search of insects, we too must keep moving forward on our journey. Woodpeckers are known for their characteristic behavior of drumming with their beaks, producing a reverberatory sound that can be heard at some distance. Similarly, we must make our mark on the world and leave a lasting impact.